Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. In this video, we are going to know what are the top 10 pharmaceutical companies in India. Being in pharmacy profession, my dear students, you must know which is the top 10 pharmaceutical companies in India by revenue. So let us begin. The top 10 position in pharmaceutical India is occupied by Lupin Limited. It is a multinational pharmaceutical company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is the 12th largest company by market capitalization and 8th largest generic pharmaceutical company by revenue globally. Now let us try to explore which is the 9th most largest company in India. This position is occupied by Abbott Laboratories, which is an American medical device and healthcare company with headquarters in Illinois, US. Let us try to explore the top 8th company. This position is occupied by Cipla Limited, which is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company headquartered in Mumbai. Cipla primarily develops medicines to treat respiratory, cardiovascular, arthritis, diabetes, weight control, and depression. Let us see which is the 7th most company in India. This position is occupied by Aurobindo Pharma Limited. Aurobindo Pharma Limited is a pharmaceutical company based in High-Tech City, Hyderabad, India. The company manufactures generic pharmaceuticals and active pharmaceutical ingredients. Let us see which company occupies 6th position. This position is occupied by Piramal Enterprises Limited. The Piramal Group is a diversified global business conglomerate which has a presence across various sectors such as healthcare, life sciences, drug discovery, healthcare, information management, specialty glass packaging, financial services, and real estate. Let us see and explore which is the 5th topmost company in India. This position is occupied by very famous Biocon Limited, which is an Indian biopharmaceutical company based in Bangalore, India. The company manufactures generic active pharmaceutical ingredients that are sold in over 120 countries across the globe. Let us try to figure out which is the 4th company in India. The 4th position is occupied by Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited, which is a flagship company of the Torrent Group. Based in the Indian city of Ahmedabad, it was promoted by UN Mehta initially as Trinity Laboratories Limited and was later renamed as Torrent Pharmaceutical India. Let us see which is the top 3rd position holders in India. This position is occupied by very own Dr. Reddy's Limited. Dr. Reddy Laboratories is a multinational pharmaceutical company which was founded by Anji Reddy, who previously worked in the Mentor Institute, Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited of Hyderabad. So Dr. Reddy manufactures and markets a wide range of pharmaceuticals in India and overseas. Let us try to figure out which is the 2nd top most Indian pharmaceutical company. This position is basically occupied by Divi's Laboratories Limited. Now, Divi's Laboratory Limited is an India-based manufacturer of APIs and intermediates. The company is engaged in manufacture of leading generic compounds, nutraceutical ingredients, and custom synthesis of APIs and intermediates for global innovator companies. Now, let us try to figure out which is the top most Indian pharmaceutical company. This position is again occupied by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Now, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company which is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, that manufactures and sells pharmaceutical formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients primarily in India and US. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates. Please also provide your views in the comment box. Thank you for watching.